I'm just showing a video to show you how difficult it is for me to lock the cup in place. I just had to set my camera up like this, so I'm sorry that it's so tight. But anyway, as you can see, I put it in correctly. Like, this is the little arrow, and I'm trying to get it to lock now, and I'm pushing down on the unit so that I can turn it, and it's very difficult. I just can't get it to go, and if I use the cup as leverage, it tightens the cup onto this so tightly that when I finally do get this off of the blender, the unit, the base, I can't get the top off of the cup. So as you can tell, I'm pretty frustrated. This thing here, I don't know if it's showing up on camera. This thing here, it really is not flexible, so I don't know if that's a part of the issue. So yeah, hopefully you can help me figure out if I'm doing something wrong. Thanks. Bye.